If you ever thought, I know what to eat, why is this so hard? This video is for you because the answer is probably not what you think. So keep watching. Hi, I'm Bonnie Giller, registered dietitian and certified intuitive eating counselor. I help capable, health-conscious women and men care for their health and eat with confidence without obsession, restriction, or fear. And one of the most common questions I hear is this: Bonnie, I'm smart. I understand nutrition. I can actually write the book. So why does food still feel like a struggle? Do you feel that too? So let's just separate something important here. Understanding nutrition is cognitive. Your relationship with food is behavioral and neurological. These are not the same systems. You can intellectually know what a balanced meal looks like, but if food has been tied to control, safety, weight management, preventing future health problems, earning a sense of being on track, then your nervous system is involved. Over time, what happens is the brain builds patterns. If I eat this, I'm being responsible. If I eat that, I'm slipping. If I tighten it up, oh, I feel so much safer. These associations don't dissolve just because you understand macronutrients. They are reinforced by repetition. So that's years of dieting, years of tracking, years of starting over, trying to optimize everything, your meals and all, worrying about the numbers, right? This all creates a loop. Your brain begins to treat food decisions as really meaningful signals. Meaningful signals do what? They trigger evaluation. Evaluation keeps you on alert. And when you're on alert, food never feels neutral. Do you see what I'm saying? So when women say to me, and men, why is this still hard? The answer is usually not a lack of knowledge. It's that their brain has been trained to monitor food closely. Monitoring feels really responsible, but it also creates a ton of pressure, and pressure keeps this loop going. Breaking this loop does not require more discipline. It requires consistent, predictable experiences of eating without correction, eating regularly, allowing flexibility, not compensating, letting one quote unquote deviation just stay small. It is what it is. Over time, the brain learns something new. Food does not equal threat. Food does not equal evaluation, good or bad. Food does not require constant correction. And that's how confidence with food builds, not from intensity, but from repetition. So if you've been wondering why this still feels hard, despite everything you know, there is nothing wrong with your intelligence. Your patterns simply need to be rewired. If you'd like a starting point, well, I have a free tool to help you. It's linked below, the Diet Free Mindset Daily Checklist. And if you're ready for more structured support, well, I offer both focused private sessions with me and ongoing work in a community, depending on what might be appropriate for you. So just reach out to me. Thanks for being here. Please give it a thumbs up, share with someone who might benefit from watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next video.